Hi, I'm going to do the Knit Crate yarn giveaway, and the link for this is down below. For Knit Crate, you can sign up under me and get your first month 20% off with the promo code Jewel20, and it's $24.99 per month. You come here to the site and pick out the type of yarn that you like, and you'll get the 2 skeins. Now, also Amy's Crochets patterns is my website. You just go right to the patterns and pick any category you would like, and if you go to headbands, here's all the headband patterns, and you just click on right on the picture and it'll take you right to the pattern. It's that easy. And I have hundreds of patterns that are free that I've created over the years. I've been doing this for almost 8 years now, I think, or maybe even longer. Okay, and the next thing is my books, Crochet Hats for Beginners. I have it on Kindle, paperback, audio, and then Crochet for Beginners. You can go right to Amazon. The links are down below for that as well. Then my Etsy store, I have digital products. I have tags and calendars that are digital, and my crochet charts. You get 4 of them, and crochet purse pattern, and some vintage patterns, some digital stickers, some more vintage patterns. My purse, that is a pattern and the actual purse, and hooks, and some mugs and shirts. I have at least over 100 products in my Etsy store. Alright, the winner is Tracy Nicole, Fiber Arts. Please contact me with my email with your address. I will send this out as soon as possible. Congratulations. Thank you everybody for watching and participating and subscribing. Come back for some future giveaways. Thank you for watching.